A very good morning, children. Today is our science class. We are going to see page number 102. What will you do during disasters? Dash watch TV when it rains heavily. So you will eat or you will not eat. I will not watch TV when it's rain heavily. Okay, when the rain comes, you should not watch TV. Clear, children? Dash follows the warming. I will follow the warming. Dash stand under a tree when heavy wind blows. So if any wind comes, heavy winds or wind itself comes means you should not stand under a tree when heavy winds blows. Okay. So the answer is I will not. Fill in the blanks using the given words. Air as dash. Air as weight. W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight. Things need dash for burning. Air. A-I-R. Air. The process by which we breathe in air is known as inhale. I-N-H-A-L-E. The process by which we breathe in air is known as inhale. The organ that helps us to breathe is lungs. The organ that helps us to breathe is lungs. L-U-N-G-S. When we breathe in air, the chest raises up. When we breathe in air, the chest raises up. R-A-I-S-E-S. So air as, what air as? Yeah, air as weight. Things need dash for burning. What we need for burning? Yeah, air. The process by which we breathe in air is known as inhale. The organ that helps us to breathe is lungs. With the lungs only we are breathing. When we breathe in air, the chest raises up. Write true if true, T if true and F it false. Air is nowhere. So you want to write F. F in the sense of false. Air fills the empty space. True. T. Clouds move because of the movement of air. T. A very strong wind is called gale. True. We release oxygen during breathing. False. Okay, children. So, air is nowhere, air is everywhere, isn't it? But here they are asking, the air is nowhere, they are saying. So, it's wrong. So, F. Air fills the empty space. True. Clouds move because of the movement of air. Due to the air only the clouds moves. Okay. So many children will be having doubt how the clouds are moving. Because of the movement of air, that's why the clouds are moving. True. A very strong wind is called gale. Okay. So we release oxygen during breathing. It's a false. Circle the odd one and answer the question. Balloon, cycle, tube, football, cricket ball. Cricket ball. Balloon, cycle, tube, football. Everything the air needs. Cricket ball, football, cycle, tube, balloon, everything. We can fill the air once again, but not in the cricket ball. Why is it different from the rest? Cricket ball does not contains air. Okay, because here everything air will be there, filled with air. That here there is no air. Kite, balloon, stone, feather. Stone. Why it differ from the rest? Stone will not move. Feather, balloon, kite, everything it will move. Clear, children? So this 3 you want to write in the bookwork and read loudly and send the audio to me. Write in the bookwork itself, and this fill up and true or false write in the classwork. Fill up and true or false write in the classwork. Okay, children, this you can write in the book. This 3 you want to give audio. Okay, children, in the classwork you want to write, fill in the blanks and true or false. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.